NeckPro, a proud Malaysian mattress, coil, and foam manufacturer par excellence. Being one of the most popular mattress brands in Malaysia, NeckPro is widely loved for its innovative sleep solution catered to different needs and lifestyle of the fast-moving market. We are both the brand owner and the manufacturer. Therefore, it is our nature in offering premium quality sleep solutions at factory direct price. Over the years, we successfully win customer hearts by providing comfort and value, using only excellent materials in all mattresses. In 1993, we started to produce mattresses for international and local OEM market. We then to extend to have our own factory, now serve as the main supplier to 12 countries internationally. We even formed an internal testing lab to ensure all materials used are tip-top and safe. Then we thought, why not we use all the resources to create our own mattress brand? And then, NeckPro was born. In 2015, we hit the rock. The market was no longer satisfied with a basic mattress. Therefore, over the years, we invest in developing more unique materials, such as different spring metals, massive variety of foams, and crazy variety of fabrics, all with one thing in mind: premium quality mattress that everyone can afford. NeckPro, your sleeping solution specialist.